In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name. To start, open your Facebook application. After opening, you tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Then either you can tap the little setting icon or you can scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Then you have to select settings. Then you have to have this account center feature. If you can't find out this option, you have to up-to-date your application. After that, tap on account center, then you will get this pop-up window. In this pop-up window, at the top, you can see this profile option. Just tap that one. Then you can see your Facebook and Instagram account if you are connected together. So just tap on that one. Now you have to tap at the first option on name. Then you can see your first name, middle name and last name. From here, you can change your Facebook name to new name like this. Tap the first name, then you can enter your new name like this. You can remove your last name and you can enter your new name. After entering your first name, you have to tap review change button at the bottom. Just tap review changes. Then you can see a preview of your name. Here you can change the order of your name. Here I will select the first one. Now just tap save changes. Then this will be your new Facebook name. You can see if you go to your Facebook profile and if you refresh it, you can see your new Facebook name is there. That's how to change your Facebook name without any error. And also, if you want to get back the previous name or if you want to change your Facebook name after the limit without any resistance, you can click this end screen video and watch this. Then you can easily get back your old name. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later.